this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a small torque wrench. Small torque wrench. Gloves. Product manual. Tool storage case. This tool features dual unit measurements. The front side is marked in Newton meter. The other side is marked in kilogram meter. This tool features dual scales as well. The scale on the wrench body is the main scale. The scale on the rotating handle is the secondary scale. The torque range is 5 Newton meter to 25 Newton meter. When using the wrench, we need to unlock the adjustment knob at the bottom. Rotate it counterclockwise to unlock. Then rotate the handle to adjust to the required setting. Lock the adjustment knob after setting. The selector lever on the ratchet head, when moved to the right, rotates clockwise for tightening. When moved to the left, rotates counterclockwise for removal. Press and hold the button on top of the ratchet head to install a socket. If the torque wrench is not in use, be sure to reset the torque value to prevent long-term spring compression and maintain accuracy. Next, we will demonstrate how to use the tool. First, confirm the size of the target bolt or nut for removal or tightening. Select the corresponding socket size. This tool is compatible with small drive sockets and extension bars. We selected the appropriate small socket and installed it. After setting the required torque value, align it with the target bolt or nut. Hold the ratchet head with one hand and rotate the handle with the other hand. When you hear the clicking sound, stop immediately to avoid over-torquing the fastener.